Most used RVs under $15,000 fall into one of two categories. They're either older units with hidden problems waiting to surface, or they're simply not worth what the seller is asking. But every now and then, you come across a handful of listings that make you stop and take a second look. I went through dozens of current listings and narrowed everything down to 5 RVs that I believe deserve a closer look. These are real listings with real prices, available for sale right now across the United States. And I'll tell you up front, the RV that eventually took the top spot wasn't the newest, the largest, or even the most expensive one on this list. That one surprised me, and we'll get there by the end. I'm Roadside Randy, helping everyday Americans make smarter decisions about RVs, trucks, and life on the road. For every RV on this list, we're going to cover the exterior, the floor plan, the kitchen and bathroom, towability, what I like about it, what concerns me, and who it's best suited for. We're counting down from number 5 to number 1. Let's get into it. Number 5. The 2021 East to West Silver Lake 25K RV listed at $14,998 in Orchard Park, New York. Now, before you write this one off for landing at number 5, this is still a capable trailer. It just has a couple of factors working against it compared to what's coming later on this list. On the outside, this thing looks sharp. Silver corrugated aluminum skin, clean lines, no visible damage in the listing photos. It comes in at just over 28 feet with the hitch, and the dry weight sits just under 5,000 pounds. That's on the heavier side for this length, which means you'll want a capable half-ton or three-quarter-ton truck before you start making travel plans. Here's what caught my eye immediately. This trailer has a true king-size bed, not a queen, a king. 72 by 80 inches in a travel trailer under $15,000. That is genuinely rare at this price point, and it matters a lot for couples who want real sleeping comfort on the road. The interior looks nearly new. Modern gray and brown tones throughout, a gray faux leather sofa, a booth dinette with a marble-look tabletop, and a kitchen with a 4-burner gas range, oven, built-in microwave, refrigerator, and a deep single sink with a pull-down faucet. Gray subway tile backsplash. It looks more like a 2023 trailer than a used one. The rear bathroom has a full shower, vanity, and toilet, all in excellent shape based on the photos. There's a large pass-through exterior storage compartment on both sides of the nose, a 15-foot awning, city water connection, and cable and satellite hookup already wired in. So why is it number 5? Weight and price. At nearly 5,000 pounds dry, some buyers will need to upgrade their tow vehicle, and at just under $15,000, there's almost no room left in the budget. The king bed is a genuine differentiator, but it comes at a cost in more ways than one. Who it's best for: couples who prioritize sleeping comfort and already own a truck that can handle the weight. Quick question before we move on. If you're the kind of person who enjoys finding solid used RV deals and avoiding expensive buying mistakes, take a second to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future RV roundups like this one. Now let's see if the next RV can top what we just looked at. Number 4. The 2021 Forest River Salem Cruise Light 241 QBXL, asking $14,074 in Churchville, New York. The first thing that jumps out here is the year. A 2021 travel trailer under $15,000. And the photos back that up. The mattress was still in factory plastic wrap when the listing photos were taken. This RV has barely been used. The exterior is a dark gray metallic finish that looks genuinely modern. Just under 27 feet long with a GVWR of around 4,100 pounds. That lighter weight is a real advantage over the Silver Lake we just looked at. More trucks can comfortably pull this one, which matters for a lot of buyers. Inside, it's clean and contemporary. Herringbone LVP flooring, dark wood cabinetry, gray upholstery. The kitchen has a 3-burner stove, oven, graystone microwave, single-door refrigerator, and plenty of overhead cabinet space. Living area has a sofa and booth dinette. Rear bathroom with full shower, vanity, and toilet. There's also a Furrion entertainment system already built in, a nice bonus that saves buyers from adding aftermarket audio equipment. Now, I'll be honest with you about something. The Cruise Light name is telling you something important. Forest River built this line to be lighter, which means thinner walls and lighter grade construction than their heavier models. For weekend camping and seasonal use, that's perfectly fine. But if you're planning extended trips through extreme temperatures, the lighter build is worth factoring into your thinking. This one moved near the top of my list. Then I kept looking. Who it's best for? Couples or small families who want a lightly used, modern trailer with a lighter tow weight and room for a king cab half-ton to handle it. After looking at hundreds of used RV listings over the years, I've learned that most buyers tend to focus on the wrong things. They look at the kitchen. They look at the bed. What they should be doing first is looking for water. Press on the floors near the slide-out seals. Run your hand along the lower walls. Check every ceiling corner and around every window frame. If anything feels soft, spongy, or shows discoloration, walk away or negotiate hard. Then get up on the roof or hire someone who will and look at every seam and seal up there. A slide-out that doesn't retract smoothly is another red flag that deserves an explanation before you hand over a check. Water damage that looks minor in photos has cost buyers $10,000 or more after the deal closed. Hire an inspector. Every time. No exceptions. Number 3. The 2020 Forest River R-Pod RP195, asking $14,990 out of Mifflintown, Pennsylvania. This one stands apart from everything else on this list, and I think that's exactly what makes it worth discussing. The R-Pod has that signature egg-shaped fiberglass body, compact, aerodynamic, and immediately recognizable. At 22 feet long, with a GVWR of 4,790 pounds, it can be towed by a wide range of crossovers and smaller SUVs, not just full-size trucks. That is a significant advantage for buyers who don't own or want to buy a heavy-duty tow vehicle. It sleeps 4, has 1 slide-out, and carries 30 gallons of fresh water. The floor plan fits a rear queen bed, a U-shaped dinette in the slide, a full bathroom with separate shower, and a front galley kitchen with stovetop, oven, microwave, refrigerator, and a dedicated pantry. That's a genuinely complete setup in a 22-foot trailer. The interior photos show a near-new condition unit, light wood cabinetry, clean surfaces, and immaculate shower pan. The R-Pod line has earned a loyal following over the years, and Forest River builds these consistently well. I'll be honest, at this point in the list, I thought this one might be my number 1 pick. It's well-built, towable by a lot of vehicles, and looks nearly unused. But then I got to the final 2 listings and completely changed my mind. At nearly $15,000 for a 2020 unit, the price feels stretched compared to what's coming. And it's been sitting on the market for over 120 days, which tells you buyers feel the same way. Who it's best for? Buyers who drive a crossover or smaller SUV and need a fully equipped, towable trailer without upgrading their vehicle. Number 2. The 2017 Primetime RV Avenger 28 RKS, asking $13,000 in Sagertown, Pennsylvania. This is where the list takes a serious turn. 34 feet, 1 slide-out, sleeping for 5, 48 gallons of fresh water, self-contained, $13,000. In terms of sheer livable space per dollar, nothing else on this list is even close. You walk in, and there are 2 full-size lounge chairs to your left, an 87-inch U-shaped dinette, and a full sofa fill out the slide. The rear kitchen has a full-size range and oven, 3-burner cooktop, double sink, refrigerator, pantry, and a generous amount of counter space. Down the hall is a full bathroom with a corner shower, linen cabinet, medicine cabinet, and vanity. The front bedroom has a queen bed, 2 full closets, and overhead storage. This is essentially a small apartment on wheels for $13,000. Now, a lot of buyers overlook what that actually means in practical terms. 34 feet requires a serious tow vehicle. We're talking a 3/4 ton or 1-ton truck. If you don't already own one, factor that into the total cost of this decision. It's not a deal breaker, it's just an honest reality. The listing photos were also taken in low light, which makes it harder to fully evaluate the ceiling panels and slide-out seals. In my experience, that's always a reason to look more carefully in person, not walk away. But it does mean an inspection here is especially important. For a family or a couple who already owns a capable truck and wants maximum space without a maximum price tag, this one sets a very high bar. I thought it might end up being my #1 pick. Then I looked at the last listing, and for the first time all day, I started questioning my rankings. Who it's best for, families or couples who own a capable truck and want the most living space available at this price point. And that brings us to #1, my personal pick for best overall value on this entire list. The 2011 Coachman Catalina 19RD, asking $8,750 in Greenfield, Indiana. I know what some of you are already thinking. It's a 2011. It's the oldest unit here by several years. But let me explain why this one earned the top spot, because the reasoning matters. This is a 22-foot travel trailer with a GVWR of only 4,000 pounds. 4,000 pounds. Half-ton trucks, larger SUVs, even some well-equipped mid-sized trucks can tow this without any issue. The towability opens the door for more buyers than any other RV on this list. The asking price is $8,750. That is $5,000 to $6,000 less than everything else we looked at today. Here's what caught my eye when I went through the photos. The exterior is clean and straight, no visible delamination, no rust, no obvious body damage, which for a 2011 unit is a genuinely good sign. Inside, the layout delivers more than you'd expect at this price. Front queen bed, side aisle bathroom with full shower, booth dinette, full sofa, 2-burner suburban gas cooktop, oven, microwave, double-door refrigerator, double kitchen sink, outdoor shower, and a patio awning. The interior photos show cabinets in solid shape, flooring that looks intact, and a refrigerator that was lit up and clean inside. For a 15-year-old trailer, that's encouraging. The bathroom vent cover is showing some age. That's really the most obvious sign of the years on it. In my experience, here's where the math becomes compelling. At $8,750, you could budget $2,000 to $3,000 for a professional inspection, some preventive maintenance, and minor cosmetic updates, and still come out thousands of dollars ahead of everything else on this list. You're not just buying a cheaper RV, you're buying breathing room. Yes, it's the oldest one here. Yes, you need to inspect this one carefully. Roof seams, floor softness, every wall corner, and window frame. Those things are non-negotiable. But if the inspection comes back clean, there is no better value on this list. If it were my money, this is the first trailer I'd have a professional walk through. And that's really what surprised me about this list. I expected the winner to be one of the newer trailers. Instead, the RV that made the most financial sense turned out to be the oldest one here. Sometimes the best deal isn't the flashiest RV, it's the one that leaves you with money in your pocket after the purchase. Who it's best for: first-time buyers, retirees looking for an affordable and straightforward entry into RV travel, and anyone with a half-ton truck or SUV who wants to get on the road without overextending their budget. Here's the quick breakdown before we wrap up. Best for couples, the East to West Silver Lake 25K RB. That true king bed is genuinely hard to beat for sleeping comfort on the road. Best for families, the Primetime Avenger 28 RKS. 34 feet, sleeping for 5, and a full apartment-style layout at $13,000. Nothing else on this list competes for space. Best for easy towing, the Forest River R-Pod RP195. If you drive a crossover or smaller SUV, this is the one built specifically for your situation. Best living space per dollar, the Avenger 28 RKS. Again, it's not particularly close. Best overall value, the 2011 Coachman Catalina 19RD. It wins because of what the price difference actually means in real life. The money you save buys you an inspection, a season of maintenance, and the kind of financial cushion that makes the first year of RV ownership a lot more enjoyable. Pair that with a 4,000-pound tow weight and a fully equipped layout, and this trailer earns the top spot through logic, not sentiment. The best RV on this list is not automatically the best RV for you. That depends on how you travel, who you travel with, and what you're towing it with. A 34-foot trailer means nothing if your truck isn't rated for it. And a 22-foot trailer might feel small if you're planning extended trips with the whole family. Whatever you decide, do not skip the inspection. Every RV on this list deserves a thorough walkthrough before any money changes hands. Links to all of the RVs featured in today's video can be found in the description below. Go take a look for yourself. Which one would you choose and why? drop it in the comments. I genuinely read them, and I'd love to know what stands out to you. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. These real-world RV roundups are exactly what this channel is built around. Until next time, travel safe, spend wisely, and I'll see you down the road.